To pictures of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who has just arrived at the Hanuman Temple in Connaught Place in Delhi. He is joined and accompanied by Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann. His wife Sunita Kejriwal has also joined him. Top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, including Ministers Atishi Marlena, Saurabh Bhardwaj and Gopal Rai and others, are also present at the Hanuman Temple. His first stop for the day as he heads to the AAP headquarters after this to address his first press conference since coming out of jail. Shreya Chatterjee, my colleague, is bringing us those live pictures from the Hanuman Temple. Shreya, over to you. The Chief Minister at the Hanuman Temple right now offering prayers. Okay, we'll try and reconnect with my colleague Shreya Chatterjee, who's at the temple right now. You can just see the crowd of Aam Aadmi Party workers that have gathered over there. Arvind Kejriwal, as he stepped out of Tihar jail yesterday, invoked Lord Hanuman, said that he was out because of the blessings of Lord Hanuman, and his first stop for the day is Hanuman Temple in Delhi's Connaught Place. You're seeing those inside pictures first here on India Today. The Chief Minister of Delhi, who is out on interim bail till June 1st, has reached the temple. He's accompanied by Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, who reached his residence a short while ago and then accompanied him on the ride from his temple in civil lines to Hanuman Temple in Connaught Place. You see those pictures of the Chief Minister there arriving earlier at the temple. Shreya Chatterjee, my colleague, is back with us. Shreya, over to you. The Chief Minister has reached the temple.
Well, yes, Pauline, Arvind Kejriwal along with Bhagwant Mann, both of them are right now inside the Hanuman Temple at Connaught Place, where they are offering their prayers. Shortly after that, he will come out, and if he wishes to, he will probably be speaking to the media as well. But right now, he's inside the Hanuman Temple, and as the visuals that we can clearly see, this is the first stop of his today's campaign. After the visit to the Hanuman Temple, he will be addressing a press conference followed by 2 road shows. So this is a big show of strength, we can also say, for the Aam Aadmi Party and the India Alliance, just ahead of the Delhi Lok Sabha elections and also the Punjab elections. And clearly Arvind Kejriwal is leaving no stone unturned to invoke Lord Hanuman, something that we've seen earlier as well in previous elections. No difference this time.
That's right. We're seeing those pictures. Shreya, just stay on with us. Seeing pictures from inside the temple right now. Arvind Kejriwal there offering prayers at the Hanuman Mandir in Connaught Place. Bhagwant Mann is with him. In a short while from now, he will be heading to the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters in order to address his first conference. Remember, the Supreme Court gave him interim relief, interim bail to campaign for the Lok Sabha elections till June 1st. He will have to surrender on June 2nd. He cannot go to his office, his Chief Minister's office, to the Delhi Secretariat. He cannot sign any file or perform any duties as Chief Minister. This interim relief is purely for purposes of campaigning, which was of course vehemently opposed by the Enforcement Directorate, saying that it would set the wrong sort of precedent if one individual, a Neta, was given bail at a time that this sort of exception was not granted to any ordinary citizen. But the Aam Aadmi Party, of course, hailing this as a big victory. Shreya, the BJP, of course, holding a press conference right now as well. We heard from Union Home Minister, who spoke exclusively to our colleague Anupam in West Bengal yesterday as well. Them, of course, reiterating the point that Arvind Kejriwal continues to be scam tainted. He faces some very serious charges. The Enforcement Directorate will be putting that down in a supplementary charge sheet. So it's not that the scam taint has gone away. This is only interim relief to come out and campaign for the party, but under very strict conditions.
Well, absolutely, Paulami. What Arvind Kejriwal has got is an interim relief while the Supreme Court continues to hear his petition challenging his arrest. So definitely this is not something which has relieved him of all the allegations that the Enforcement Directorate has levelled against him in their investigation in the liquor excise policy. The Enforcement Directorate continues to say that Arvind Kejriwal allegedly was the mastermind of the entire scam. Yesterday, the agency did file a supplementary charge sheet. However, Arvind Kejriwal's name does not figure in this one. So we'll have to wait for another supplementary charge sheet that the agency will also be filing for investigation purpose. And as we talk, Paulami, the visit of Arvind Kejriwal offering prayers has ended. He's coming out of the Hanuman temple. From here, he will be heading to the party headquarters where a meeting is also scheduled, and he will be addressing the press conference. So as the BJP versus Aam Aadmi Party game continues, one thing is for sure, that so far as the entire political imaging is concerned, Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party has managed to add a flavor in this election season, given the fact that they will use it to their maximum to ensure that they benefit out of this for their Lok Sabha elections, both in the state of Punjab and Delhi at least.